Fellas, do you just love good old 2nd-Gen Toyota 4Runners? Well, fellas, I got a freaking wackadoo of the cheapest, cheapest to the most expensive 2nd-Gen Toyota 4Runners. First up here, we got a 1990 Toyota 4Runner. Go for a what now? A whopping $1,000. A whopping one freaking grand. Listed 11 weeks ago in Fort St. John in BC. Yeah, man, you know, if this thing's from BC, it's most likely going to be a pretty freaking decent clean rig, even for the day and age of its time, you know. Honestly, this thing's not too bad. It's a manual, a million miles, and the holy freaking name, the muffler's just clippity clap, no drive shaft. What is going on here? So is this thing pretty much just a parts car, or like, man, it's gonna suck if it is, you know. He's got a 1990s 4Runner bush buggy, has a motor, no tranny, a T case. Not sure about paper. Selling for my brother, 2K if you make a fair offer. 2K, but now it's a $1,000. Listed 11 weeks ago. Yeah, you're gonna try and get 4K. I mean 2K out of this? No, that ain't happening there, bucko. Dude, just look at this thing. It needs a lot of love. It needs a whole fucking new transmission, right? Wait, didn't I just read it? No tranny and T case. Not sure about papers. Okay, yeah, you kind of get it. So it has a motor, just no freaking transmission. But dude, look at the tires. They got so much freaking tread on them. It's freaking phenomenal. That's awesome though, low key. I mean, 1,000, but it was $2,000. Wait, does it have those extra wide fender flares, or did Buddy just custom make them himself by ripping it off there? Dude, these tires look so freaking skinny. Why are they looking so skinny? Or is that just me? Is it just me, or do these just tires look more skinny than abnormal? Maybe it's just because it's a wheeling rig, more as in a good wheeling rig for a good bangle for your buckle, you know, more as in. I mean, low key, $1,000, no transmission, it's just a roller. Dude, this thing would be freaking phenomenal to own. Low key, I'd love to own this thing. It's not that bad of a bang for your buck, I would say for sure. Just looking at this thing, it's like a gem of a beauty. I love to freaking own it. I don't know about you fellas. What are you guys rocking with? Would you guys go and try and cop it? I mean, low key, it's got some good tread, got an engine, just no transmission. Overall, though, this thing looks freaking beautiful. Honestly, though, I'd love to go and buy it. I don't know about you fellas. What are you guys rocking with? This one's the cheapest for $1,000 in Fort St. John, British Columbia. The next one up here, we got a 1991. Ooh, this one's going for $1,300 more. Not too shabby. It's listed 2 days ago at Vermilion River County, Alberta. Oh, dude, you're close to me, and dude, this thing's looking gorgeous, bro. Damn, imagine owning this gem of a booty. Yeah, it's got a manual transmission, 284,000 clicks, not too shabby. He says decent condition, besides the body is rusty and it hasn't been on the road for years. I mean, fair enough. Brake line above the rear axle broke recently, driving it around the yard after replacing the fuel pump, not too shabby. I mean, at least he's still driving around the yard, dude, honestly. These 4Runners are freaking beautiful. I don't know what's up with them, but I just love them. They're a good obsession. Low-key, even just basic, like, frick buds. 284,000 kilometers. I mean, that's not that bad. It's a manual transmission, though, too. He says battery doesn't hold a charge very good, but it starts. I mean, fair enough. Runs and drives good with a boost. Has a remote start. Ooh, not too shabby. But the fob is missing. Yikes, bro. You gonna hook us up later with it? I mean, the frame's not looking too shabby. It's a bit rusty. I mean, it's pretty freaking rusty galore, you know, more as in. Wait, let's turn it up. Do we get any good volume out of it? No, I cannot even hear anything, and I doubt you guys can even hear anything. It's got 4 high and 4 low. Work good clutch. Would recommend trailering it. $1,300. Located on an acreage just outside of Dewberry. I have some alloy 17-inch wheels off of 1st-Gen Sequoia. I don't even know if I pronounced it right. I'd rather throw in as well. Please don't ask if it's available. I mean, fair enough. Okay. Not too shabby, but he's giving us a little tour. He's just going out and about. I mean, fucking anybody. At least it fucking runs. That's a good bango for your bucko. Dude, $1,300. I mean, it's already sold, low-key. I'm kind of sad that it already sold. It's not like I was ever going to buy it, though. But, I mean, come on. It's a good old 2nd-Gen Toyota 4Runner, fellas. You can't go wrong with these little gems of beauties. They're fucking killer rigs that get you to point A to point B. No freaking problemo. But would you choose this for $1,300, or would you buy this? I mean, low-key, I'm liking this one for the tread, but it has no transmission. But this one, oh my goodness, this thing's a fucking beauty of a gem. I mean, fellas, you got $1,000, $2,000, and $1,300. This one's not looking too shabby. You got some rust here and there on the fenders. Yeah, I guess it is what it is. More as in, but it's not looking too shabby. Honestly, it's like a good bangle for your bucko, but like. Would you guys cop this? Would you guys cop this? Low key. The roof's decent. It's just a good wheeling rig, more as in. I would absolutely love to go and cop it. I don't know about you fellas. What are you guys rocking with? Would you guys cop this for the good old $1,300? I mean, it's got a clean blue interior. Decent on the outside. It's better on the inside. Way better. And look, he's even got a new fucking muffler on that. Or is that the cat? Or wasn't the cat like here? I don't fully fucking remember on these things half the time, you know? But dude, when we go back and we look at the frame, oh, that is Rusty's, buddy. Rusty's galore. That frame is going to need a whole lot of love. That's going to be brutal to even see happen. Like, yikes. But, I mean, hey, if you give this frame a whole lot of love, give it a whole fucking makeover, this thing's pretty much ready to go for days on end. It's not a good, bad bangle for your bucko, you know, more as in to say. Fellas, would you choose this for $1,300, or would you rather end up spending $100 more on this 1993? Oh, we only get one picture. Toyota 4Runner, $1,400. Project 4Runner for someone 3.0 V6 344 5-speed manual, needs brakes, radiator and water pump. Body is rust, minimal to average considering age. Frame is very good. Back window doesn't work. Can need to be towed as there is no brakes and won't hold coolant. Oh gosh, this up for a project and have not been able to get into it. I don't have the time and have too many projects located in Black Creek. I mean, fair enough. It looks like you already got a couple. Or is this a pickup, or is this like, it kind of looks like an extra cab pickup, I mean, over there. This one looks like a Subaru, and this one looks like a pickup. We got a 2nd-Gen Toyota 4Runner. Tread isn't always fully there, I guess you would more as and say, but fellas, $1,400, not too shabby. Would you rather buy that, or would you rather end up spending another $100 more on this 1990 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Sport Utility 4-door going for $1,500? Listed 14 hours ago in Branson, MO. Driven 315,000 miles, manual transmission. Damn, bro, we're cooking. MO, Branson, MO. Who the fuck names these places? Seriously. I mean, low-key, this thing ain't looking too shabby, bro, but what the fuck is going on? I mean, I get it. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's not too shabby, but $1,500, not too shabby at all. Okay, so let's get started. He says, let's start with I will do some trading. I like dirt bikes, motorcycles, possibly four-wheels. I have here a 1990 Toyota 4Runner manual 4x4, clean title. Got it from a friend, and I started to get it running. I started to crank it. It would crank over, but it wouldn't fire. Just sit and crank, so I sprayed some carb clean in it and fired, then died. So I dropped the tank and cleaned it out as well. The fuel pump and sock, and tried to do it again, but nothing again. So I started to remove the intake, replace or clean the injectors, but I lost interest. Have more projects I want to finish. It does have rust holes on the frame, but need to be fixed. Feel free to ask any questions. I mean, honestly, at least buddy's being up straight about it, you know, more as in, I mean, wherever you are in Branson, MO, who the fuck names these places, bro? This thing ain't looking too shabby. Have a good bangle for your buck, you know, more as in to say. Low key, I love to go and buy it though. I don't know about you fellas. What are you guys rocking with? $1,500 for this Gemo VD, not looking too shabby. 315,000 miles. Did I say miles in the beginning, or did I say kilometers? I don't remember. Yeah, it just wants to start out, doesn't want to keep going. I mean, you got some rust all the way around here, as you can see. Is trying to take care of somewhat, but honestly, sometimes you just gotta leave it in a rock. Okay, I kind of want to go and buy this because I need this. I need a new one of those. I literally just broke mine in the garage just by leaning on it, and it's made out of wood, and it's that flimsy wood, and just crumbled on me. I was like, what the fuck, man? Honestly, this thing ain't looking too shabby. I get it. It's not the prettiest on the inside. He's just trying to get it running and having troubles. But this one was the one not holding coolant. Right. But a freaking manual. A beautiful manual, right? Wait, weren't we just looking at the interior and I'm like just choking over that? I mean, honestly, he's got, yeah, freaking beautiful manual. There's so many freaking pics in this. Holy shamoly, bro. It is freaking phenomenal with all these crazy pics. But fellas, would you buy this for a good old $1,500? Got 315,000 miles, not looking too shabby. Your buddy's freaking splicing and dicing with a crap load of pics. And fellas, guess what? This is already the fourth out of the 4 Toyota 2nd-Gen 4Runners we're checking out today. Honestly, do you guys want me to give you the last cup of tea? I mean, it's gonna kind of like change it a little bit, you know, more as in. But other than that, these rigs are not too shabby. You're going from $1,000 to $1,300 to $1,400 to a freaking whopping 1,500. Or you could end up buying this 2002 Toyota 4Runner SF High Sport Utility 4 going for $1,700. Not too shabby. Listed at Dago and Hopewell Junction, NY. Driven 266,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Okay, not too shabby. Oh, buddy's cooking. So here we got a 2002 Toyota 4Runner with lots of new parts. We'll need some parts to make it roadworthy again. I mean, fair enough. CVI axles and rack need replaced. Dude, 90% of the suspension has been replaced. Damn, that's not too shabby. So he's got new tires on it, Sequoia wheels, solid frame, not pictured. Also for sale is aftermarket tube front bumper, edit. Okay, fair enough. Truck is not starting at the moment, will crank but fire, possibly need a new fuel pump, asking $1,700 or best reasonable. I mean, fair enough. I mean, it's got a little tiny fake hood scoop, right? What the fuck is this shit? Bro gave it a little hood scoop. He's like, yeah, give it the little hood scoop. Got some decent tread on the tires, not too shabby. He's showing us the tires more than the fucking truck itself. I mean, yeah, it's got its rust here and there, but honestly, not that bad of a bango jango, you know? Honestly, I'd love to go and buy it, but I don't know about you fellas. What are you guys rocking with? From the cheapest to the most expensive. Yeah, I know we're going up to $1,700 for a 3rd-Gen 4Runner, but low-key, fellas, out of these freaking 5 banger options, which one would you choose and why would you choose it? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next. Peace.